Hi there, I am Rudy James O'Happen, or you could just call me Teacher James. I am 31 years old and I am from the Philippines. I have a degree in education, major in English, and I had also been TEFL certified. For the past 10 years, I've been a licensed professional English teacher, teaching language, grammar, literature, and communications in a classroom setting. I am driven by a teaching advocacy where I firmly believe that students or learners of the English language should consistently and persistently immerse and expose themselves in an environment or in a classroom where the English language is continually yet enjoyingly used. Because I think learning the English language should not be a difficult or a frightening journey. Instead, it should be a fun and a wonderful experience. With years of teaching and pedagogical trainings behind me, I am confident that I am well versed with different types of ESL activities and strategies that work well with various types of students. Because I think once an individual is well equipped with the English language, they could be anywhere in the world. One thing that you should know about me is that I have a minor disability where my tibial bone is dislocated, resulting in an awkward walking movement. Nonetheless, I can still move, walk, jump, and dance around like any other teacher out there. I believe this diversity of mine is what I can offer to add inclusivity to your organization. With this ability, I can use this to promote respect and advocate learning inside the classroom. In my free time, I sometimes travel. I am a wanderlust for I have this strong desire to travel and explore places. Oftentimes, when I don't have the budget to travel, I resort to reading books. I love reading as much as traveling, for I think reading books could also take you to places. Speaking of places, Taiwan has always been my favorite place ever since. Although I've visited it twice, I would still choose to go back there again and again because I think Taiwan has still a lot to offer, from its beautiful sceneries to the various opportunities that awaits me. That's why I want to teach in Taiwan. So allow me to take you to a beautiful place where learning English is fun and engaging, and that place is my classroom. With this self-introduction video, I hope that you would view my application in a positive light. Thank you and see you!